going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel. And before we get started, I'd like to thank all my subscribers. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't have a channel. I thank my old subscribers, my new subscribers. Anybody that's just come on and become a subscriber, thank you. Okay, this is going to be, well, it's going to be mail call. And it's going to be appreciation build, and it's going to be an update on a buddy build. But other than that, that's all it's going to be this time, I guess. So first of all, everybody's got a doing right now a Doug Hensley. They're doing an appreciation build for old Doug, and anybody that's not subscribed to him, that are subscribed to me, please, here's Doug Hensley right here, Hensley Hobbies. Please get over there and subscribe to him, and I'll leave a link in the description below. This appreciation build will be for him, and what I'm going to build is me and Doug here, I don't know, it's probably been a year or so ago, maybe 2 years ago, I can't remember, it's been a while. But we did some trading. I got a few models off him, and he got a few models off me. And this is one of them I got off of him. Since I got it off of him, I think I'm going to build it for him. This, or for his appreciation. And that is the Airfix 132 scale Austin Haley MK1 Sprite. I don't think there's a time limit on this, because I hope not, because it'll be a while before I actually get it started, guys. But this will be, when I build it, it will be for him. Let's see, because I got this buddy build I got to finish up. I can only do one model at a time. And me and Xavier have a buddy build coming up. And after that one's done, then I'll jump on that real quick, because it shouldn't take me too long. Even though I am going to do some extensive modifications to this, because this is a curbside kit. Anybody that knows this little Airfix kit, it's the curbside, so there's no engine in it. So I'm going to cut and hinge up this front bonnet, and I'm going to resin cast me a little engine, and I'm going to put an engine in it. So that's the way I'm going to build that. And like I said, anybody that's not subscribed to old Doug, please get over there and subscribe to him. Alright, now mail call. Well, I got from my Swedish buddy over there in Sweden. He sent me, this is from Frederick from the Hobby Shack. He contacted me one day and said, "Hey man, I got something I want to send you." And I said, "Well, okay." And he said, "Give me your email address, or your address and everything, and I'm going to send this to you." He said he was out shopping and he thought I'd like this. Well, I got it in the mail. It's the Fujimi. It's the Ferrari Dino 246 GT. And that is an anime series. I can't remember right now what it was called. I'm trying to think, because this is all in Japanese right here, but I looked it up. What was the name of that? Something Wolf. Y'all correct me if I'm wrong, or tell me what it is. It's something Wolf. But I looked it up on the internet, and I think it was an anime series from like 1977 or somewhere around in there. And that's some of the first anime. But, I mean, of course, this kit's not from then, but, I mean, the series was. But, it's a very nice kit, and I want to thank you very much, Frederick, and I will build it. It might not be anytime soon, but when I do, you'll know for sure. And I love it. I know I did not have this in my collection. Thank you. I've been needing a Dino. I seen Vic build one. He did an awesome job. Mike built one. There's somebody else that built one, and I can't remember right now, but I wish I could right off the top of my head. I'd give them a shout out without having to go back and look. But they all did excellent jobs on it. I think Vic had a little bit of issues or whatever, but I think he persevered and everything, did a good job. But All right, and then as far as my buddy build with Seamus, I really don't have a whole lot to show you, but I'll show you what little bit I have done since the last update. But maybe tomorrow I can work on a little bit more. And Seamus has sent me lights to light it up. Man, I don't know, Seamus. I'm gonna try, but I don't know. I can't guarantee that I can light it up. Uh, I've never done anything like that. I'm going to try, brother. I'm going to try. But if it don't work, it don't work, and we'll try something else. But since the last time, which, you know, it's not been a lot, but I did the semi-gloss black around the windows right here. So when you put the windows in, it'll show the black around it. I did the flat black around the rubber seals on the inside and the rubber seal around the back right here. I did the flat black there. The doors hinge, I got the hinges on them. I don't know if y'all can see that real good or not. So I got them hinged up, both of them. Open, close. The door panels are in there. I don't know if you can see that real good or not, but they're there. Let's see. What else did I do to it? Okay. And then I did the black same way around the back window. The little seal right here. Let's see. And then I almost messed this paint up. Bad. I was screaming. I was cussing. And, oh, it was horrible. And then I got to thinking, I have floor polish on it. I have floor polish on it. So, hopefully I didn't ruin the paint. So what happened was, is I was painting inside of here with let's see, Model Masters semi-gloss black. And I was brush painting it in there. And I went over to the other one, brush painting. Then I got down here and started painting these. And I was painting them. Then all of a sudden I looked, and the paint had run out, and I don't know how it happened. I don't know if it was thinned down too much or what, and it run out, and it run out across here too, and come across. I was like, oh, blank. So I got a towel and I rubbed it, smeared it all over it. I was like, oh, I'm gonna have to strip this whole damn thing. I'd masked those off. I made a template, and I was like, oh, I don't want to. I got to thinking, floor polish. So I got some thinner, and I wiped it down with thinner, and it got it down to the paint, but it didn't go through the paint. There's a couple of spots that smeared a little bit, but I was able to save it. So I got my red paint, and I dabbed it on a cotton swab in spots and everything. You can see where it's real dull in spots to where it's real shiny in spots. So I saved it without having to tear this back down and redo it, because then I'd had to get decals and the whole 9 yards, and I was fighting. I was pissed. But I saved it, so now it's dull now. So once this is all dry good, I get my headlights and all that stuff on there, then I'm going to take floor polish back over it, and that'll bring that shine back out. I was scared, guys. Oh my God, I was cussing. My wife was hollering, what's going on? What's going on? I was so pissed off. But that right there, I don't know. I think I might have showed you in the last one. You know, I hand painted the blue stripes in the wheels, so the blue lines are there, you know, and it's got the decals on it and everything. But that's really all I've gotten done. There's the back one right there. I don't know how good you can see that or not, but the thing will look good when it comes together. See if we can put this thing somewhat together here. kind of show you what's up. Look at that. Is that thing gonna be sexy or what? I think I just dropped a wheel. That thing's gonna be huge. Just remember, guys, it don't matter the size. Alright, I'll just play with y'all. That's it. Go subscribe to Doug if you ain't already. Subscribe to Frederick at the Hobby Shack if you ain't already. All these guys are great people. And if you ain't subscribed to me, please think about it. But that's the update for this week. I'm sorry there wasn't much getting done, but you know, my work schedule going on right now and stuff, I haven't had a whole lot of time for nothing. And yeah, just really nothing. I'm rambling now. Let's see. Oh, and I just bought off the marketplace, guys. I'm telling you, look on your marketplaces. I just bought a Johan Holland hearse in excellent shape. $65 ship. So check that out, guys.